What is up, guys? That's BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good. We're here today. Going to do a quick tutorial on how to make a simple thumbnail on PLACEIT.net. By the way, guys, if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell for future videos like this one. All right, let's get started. Now, this is a simple tutorial on how to make thumbnails with PLACEIT. I might be doing other tutorials with this website. They are not my sponsor in any way. But if you're new to making YouTube videos and you want to make some simple stuff right off, or if you're starting to do like simple how-to videos like I'm doing right here, is what I use this for specifically. I make my gaming thumbnails, gaming video thumbnails custom on GIMP, but I like to do my simple ones for these how-to series I've been doing. So go to, now for thumbnails, I'm going to go to YouTube thumbnails. Okay, now we can choose, these are basic templates. They'll have different pictures. Now you can change a lot of the graphics on here, which we'll get to one and we'll look at it. Let's see, find one we like here. All right, guys, we're gonna go with this one. Start off, we can change the background. We have different things over here. Look at different things here. That's pretty cool. This is pretty good, doing tech stuff. Let's find one that'll work. Like that. That looks kind of cool. Okay. We're gonna go change. What color scheme we want to go with here? Filter color. We're gonna go with don't place it. So we'll go with PLACEIT color, which is black and green. So we're gonna go with a nice green right here. No, black. Yes. The other color will be this green here. Okay, and the background. Well, also, maybe that color? No. Maybe that. You go with the blue? What's white look like? No. We'll go with the blue. I like that. And we'll change this color here to black. No. White, maybe? Okay. I can, well, let's see. Let's try a lighter color, maybe like that. Okay. And the text here, we'll make this one black. There we go. And we'll change the text here. I'm just going to get my colors down first. This is the way I like to do it. And we'll change. You can also different fonts. I'll show you that in just a sec. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm going to go with a different background, different template, because the other one is just not wanting to work for me. All right, let's go with this is one I use a good bit. We're gonna go with something like maybe like that. That looks good. We're gonna go with again with the place. Let's change this to a lime green. There we go. And the rest will be black. And then this right here, background will be black. No, that's gonna be white. Or yes, or maybe a lime green. No, go with white. Okay. Now here's what we're gonna do. Going to make this one. Maybe go with that. Yeah, we'll go with that. Or maybe that. That looks better. Anyways. In this, how to make a simple thumbnail. Actually, gonna do like with. I'm gonna change you to black as well. You black. Maybe you with red or red like that. Maybe change those damn fonts. I can change. There's a way to change the size of the text, I think. Oh yeah, try. Yeah, just do this. Let me change the color. Now we're gonna upload logo again, and the same thing I just did. Where's that? Place it logo. There we go. I'll crop that a little bit smaller. That's fine. Bring you right here. Nope. Bring you down. Place it. Okay, I think from here you can mess with what colors you want to do and everything. Let's see, we can add in more graphics if you want to. We could see background's white. Maybe change the banner color to maybe to red. No, that's just that red and green is not going well. Go together well, does it? Maybe a blue. No. Boys, that's white's gonna be the best way to go, I think. Yeah, one thing is hardest thing about doing this thing here with these thumbnails is finding the right color pattern you want to go with. Because I'm doing a lot of these how-to videos and using these types of thumbnails, and I don't want to look the same, so I'm constantly trying to find new color patterns to use. But anyways, guys, I think that's what I'm gonna go with right there for this thumbnail. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and y'all have an awesome day.